My name is Fernando Cebrián. I'm the plant manager in Fersa Bearings Zaragoza. Fersa Bearings is the end users for the bearing application. Fersa has got a roadmap for the 2020 in order to increase the manufacturing process capabilities following the Industry 4.0 principles. Our target is to use models to improve our manufacturing processes, quality, cycle time, and thus cost. In our roadmap for 2020, we need to use the high technology, the power of the simulation to improve the manufacturing process, to be more competitive in our growth in sales and quality. We have developed simulation models to adapt our measurement taking into account temperature that allows us to improve our processes. We have researched different sensors, temperature sensors, dimension sensors, and nowadays we have installed in several machines these sensors for temperature, and we think in this year we are going to have a new equipment that can measure different dimensions and could adapt process to improve the capability of this. Fersa Bearings manufactured for automotive and industrial markets. These are very high competitive, and quality and efficiency should be ensured.